So the update to the game. I have built the map builder. So this is like sectors for the whole map. And if we click on one of the sectors, we can edit the information like what map sector it is. It's like hometown or whatever. And if the name changes, if we like here put another one, here we write different sector, then when player goes through this sector from one sector side to the another, then he will see that the title changes. So let's call this one uh, hometown, and fill it green, and let's add something to it. So under here I made so we can add like our own elements, and when we place it we can see that it's top view element, and where is green circle there is like a hitbox, so he cannot walk through it. So we can place trees like here and like this, and here we have enemies. So those are similar, but I made that if I place enemy, it's a little bit big, but just for now, if I place it right here, these two have different enemy amount in them. So later I will be adding so we can check like make enemies default values, like how many spiders there are, or there are any other types of enemies. So it will be changeable in here. So after that, if we like this sector setup, we can press save world, and then we can go to the next one. And you also need to remember that the world, that sector 9 is where the game begins. So he will spawn the our player will spawn some place here. So we can change it later, but for now it will be like somewhere here. So we can take the up sector and just place some plants, save it, create another one, uh, save. So it will not feel like it's empty, the world. So just quick, quick adding the elements. Uh, so yeah, for now, after we are, how to say, if we like the world we made, if we want to make it playable, we just press download, and or we can just save element and save to the world map. We save it, the game will restart, and we can change the mode. So we are back at the character creation. We press next, and yeah, we spawn right to the big spider. So yeah, this is how it looks for now. Uh, we cannot walk through the hitboxes, but in the real game, those hitboxes will be hidden. So yeah, we cannot walk through them. And if we go in the enemy hitbox, we will start to battle. So yeah, I have already made that our character is how to say, the skin color, eye color, ear color, the shoes are uh, the ones you selected at the beginning, and I wanted to make it we can animate it. So the whole idea is that we have our like character, and if we want to animate the whole leg, we just have to make the function that will rotate so no rotate the whole leg, and that is what made this a little bit harder to make than just making some sprite and putting animation sprites in there. But in this way, we can make a whole lot different things with this. So as you can see here, we rotate whole leg, and here we can rotate the lower lower leg. I don't know how to say, but yeah, and here we can rotate the foot like so, and yep, we can make the animations just for no rotating, and if he makes like attack, we can make that he will animate it. For now, it's not showing any animations, but I'm planning to do it. So uh, that's what's happening, what is made right now, and another thing is when we save the world and we want to edit it, we can just choose file, and we open the world map we made, and it will load the whole sectors of the map. And if this map is like we can press Control and go to the element we want to delete, and no, this works with all of elements. And if we want like this sector is not like your home sector, but starts like another different place, we can just make the name different, like desert. We will not change background, but let's imagine that here is sand, and these lines don't here exist anymore. And we want to know in the map view that this is different. We can just make the um, color different. There's no center, so brown. It's not brown, it's red, but okay. Okay, so we can change the fill color of this block and change the ID. So ID. So we can immediately see that this is a different place, and we here can change the textures we want to use. So we like just put one tree in here. So save the world, and override the previous one. And on the top, we can see that this is hometown. And when we go to the desert, the desert is now showing and will disappear. And if we vote only if the sector names doesn't change, the dialogue also doesn't show up. Only if we change the sector that the name is different from the previous one. So like hometown and then desert. If you go up, there is this HGG, and yeah. And also we will make that all over the world will no if there is not made up the map, if we create the map, then all around around the world will be water, so no one will be able to go there. This is the plan for now. So thank you for watching, and I will make the tutorials how to make this all. So let me know if you're interested. See you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye.